Hello YouTube. My name is David, I'm 16 years old, and yeah, this is like my hobby place. It's on a little farm in northern Germany, and from time to time I help out here. Yeah, and this is our momentary project. It's an old Kramer 350 export. That means it has a 4-cylinder water-cooled engine with 32.5 horsepower. It is made by, let me think a second. It's made by Perkins and has a CAV injection pump. Yeah, it has a timing chain, and like you see, it's disassembled. The guy who previously owned it put a lot of new parts in it, like here this water temperature sensor, and he also put on another injection pump and put in new seals, and he also made all new cables. Yeah, he painted the hood, put on new headlamps, and made up the dashboard really nice. Here, I hope you can see it. Yeah, with new switches and this not original inlet. He also put on a lot of hydraulic stuff, like, yeah. Now you can do a lot of stuff. Original, it had a front loader, but that was taken off and is now somewhere in the back in a shed. And we will put it on as soon as we get ready that this thing is running again. Yeah, he took out 2 pistons and said, "Oh, the bore is totally fucked," but it isn't. It's actually pretty good. And he also took out 2 valves, like you can see here. Those 2 are somewhere in a box over there, I think. Yeah, and he put a new starter motor, a new generator, and a new water pump on it. He did a lot of work on it, and now the farmer and I are working on this thing, and maybe we can get the pistons in today, but we have to see. We already got a new valve. Let me just take a look on them. You can order them like this. Here they are. Nice new shiny valves, and these are the, I think, outlet ones. Yeah, like I said, we ordered them as new parts, and here, look at all the hydraulic stuff. This is a hydraulic fluid tank. Yeah, and this is timing chain cover. We already made this ring, put a new ring in here. This is the old one, pretty done. We already put a new seal in here on the gearbox, and when we opened it we saw pretty little wear on it, and the engine has very little wear on it too, except the valves. They're a little bit fucked, let me say it like that. Just, there are my pistons here. So these are the old valves, like you see, like here. Let me just, here you see there was some blow by, so they were too tight. And I think this is the inlet one. or is it? I'm not exactly sure if it looks like the outlet one, but you see here it's very damaged, and so we really have to put new ones in. We could repair them, but nah, why repair such broken stuff when you get new ones for not that much money? Put it over here, and these are the pistons. I know they don't look the best at the moment, but when you clean them up, they should come out pretty good. You even can read the original markings on the top. And yeah, here, see, not too worn. Yeah, should come out pretty nice. Has no play in it or anything. Yeah, very nice pistons. And the guy we got this tractor from said, oh, it's all done, it's completely rubbish. But we said, nah, okay, if it's like that, we won't fix it up. We just take the front loader and put it on one of our other 450 export. That means same look, but the older ones have a stronger gearbox, and it has 42.5 HP. I think they made it by a different pump, and yeah, of these were, I think, 3,500 or so were made of this particular model, like 350 export, and 450 export were made about, I think, 1,000 or 1,500. So not quite a lot, and we have like a free 450 export. Two of them running. One of them is a parts thing. It's nearly complete, but it has a broken gearbox. Yeah, and one other 350 export. We are not actually, we are collecting them, but we also work with them. There are work tractors. Here, this is one of the parts we got with this thing. The guy who owned it previously, like I said, got a lot of stuff new on it. He worked in a little company here. They make all that hydraulic stuff, so he got all those parts for like free or so. Yeah, pretty good nick, this tractor. And I will give you an update as soon as we take the head off again and put the pistons back in and all that stuff. So, see you.